Hello everyone, welcome back to Haiti Eats. My name is Rudy and today we are cooking the perfect Jasmine rice. To start, you'll need rice, water, oil, salt to taste, green onions, but you can also use garlic or just regular onions or shallots. Add oil to a hot pan on low and add the green onions and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's golden. Add water to the pot with salt and let it boil on medium heat or high, but I usually let my water boil on medium so I have enough time to wash the rice. To wash the rice, just add the rice to a bowl with enough water to cover it and then stir it with one hand and fold it over. Then pour the water out and repeat the process until it runs clear, or you can just try to scrub the rice a little bit like I did. Okay. Then go ahead and try to remove most of the water from the rice. You can use a strainer, but I use my hand. And you have to try to wash the rice as soon as possible because you don't want it to soak in the water for too long. Add the rice to the boiling water and change the temperature to high if it was on medium, because the minute that you add the rice to the water, it automatically lowers the temperature of the water. So you have to make sure you change it to high heat. The reason is if you leave the temperature on low, the rice will just sit in the water for a longer period of time and that will cause the rice to become soft. Then cover it up and let it cook until all the water is absorbed. Once all the water is absorbed, go ahead and give it another stir just to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan again. Then remove the green onions from my rice because I don't like the color since I'm making white rice, so I try just to have pure white rice, so which is one of the reasons if you're using garlic you have to make sure you fry them in big pieces so that way later on you can just remove them. Cover the rice with aluminum foil or parchment paper or just a regular plastic bag. But if the pan that you are using has a tight fit lid, you can just put it on there and you don't have to worry about anything. But the pan that I'm using, the lid for it has a little hole, so I added a little bit of parchment paper and I cover it up and I let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, you see, 15 to 20 minutes later, my rice is ready. You see what I was talking about? Look at the green onions. I missed a little piece. Okay, now go ahead and fluff the rice and it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below, and if you try this recipe, please give me your feedback because I really want to know how my recipes are coming out, because I actually had to test them 2 or 3 times just to make sure they are the right measurement. And you know, in a Haitian kitchen we don't ever measure anything. So thank you so much again for watching, and bien manger. Bye bye now.